Hello, how you doing? Going to make a really simple chicken stew today. Tomatoes, garlic, a few herbs, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's get started on this. So in there, I've got some chicken thighs. I've got 8 of them. That's about 750 grams. The bone is in, the skin is off. I've got a glove on. We're going to chuck some bits in there. Tablespoon of chopped garlic. Couple of bay. Some salt and pepper, teaspoon each maybe. 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, or oregano as many of you call that. 1 cup of onion, sliced. And about half a cup of olive oil, slightly under half a cup actually. Glove, in I go. Let's give that a mix up. Next step is we're going to go to the cooker. Very, very simple this. So you're going to need a wok or a pan or something like that, kind of decent sized skillet. The heat's on medium, just put that on. We're going to drop everything in. And we're going to go for about 6 or 7 minutes. Stirring every now and then. Don't have the heat up too high. About 6 or 7 minutes, really beautiful. Next up, we're going to add some mushrooms. Now, I've got here, it's about 3 cups in volume, or about 250 grams. I've cut them nice and small. Slice them if you want. Some olives, black olives. I've got 8 there, kind of like 1 piece for 1 piece of chicken. Stay on this medium heat for another 5 minutes. We're going to be stirring fairly often now. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass you can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Beautiful stuff. So next up, we are going to be adding some tomatoes. You can see that those mushrooms have cooked down nicely, give off a little bit of moisture. So here I've got 2 cans of tomatoes. This was a whole plum tomato. Just roughly crush that with my hand. When I say 2 cans, I mean regular size cans. These are 400 ml, so there's 800 ml there. What we're going to do now is give this a little mix. We're going to put it onto not a simmer, but just above a simmer. And we're going to go for around 12 to 15 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. How easy is that? Absolutely wonderful. Off goes the heat. Now, check that for salt. You might want to add a bit more salt. I've got a little bit here of fresh parsley. You could use basil if you want. Job done. Serve that with some pasta. Delicious. And there you have it. Really, really simple, beautiful, nice kind of Italian-styled chicken stew with tomatoes and garlic. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.